Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You may need to present a document online for a virtual business meeting or group project. Word's integrated Office presentation service makes this an easy task to perform. This is a freely available public service from Microsoft which lets you present documents online to others in a web browser. The only stipulation is that you have a Microsoft account. To present your document online in Word, first click the File tab in the ribbon and then choose the Share command. From the list of options that appear to the right, click the Present Online choice. Optionally, to let remote viewers download the document, check the Enable Remote Viewers to Download the Document checkbox. Then click the Present Online button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to present your document online.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.